Hey, Nicole. Speak English. We will speak English, huh? So, here, sit down here. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down. Dad ako.
No. Speak English.
Okay.
Okay. Sit down here and
Alam.
relax. So, now I will teach you how to English.
Huh?
What is the English of ero?
Dog.
Dog. Yeah.
Ay, ang
That's
Tagalog sa kuan dog aso.
No, the Tagalog of dog is aso.
Oh.
Bright. Very bright. Very bright. Okay. Okay. Okay, ha? That's good. That's good. So next is we learn how to solve 1 plus 1. 2. Very good. No, speak English. Speak English. So,
Wala
speak English. No, do not speak Bisaya. Speak English. Do not enter. Okay. English is how old are you now?
Okay.
Okay. I said, how old are you now? I'm fine, thank you.
Oh.
Hey guys, we are now speak English. Speaking English is so very hard. So I will teach him because I can speak. I speak English, but not so far. Okay, what is the English of bau? Bau. What is the English of bau? English of bau.
Huh?
Turtle.
Wala.
What if?
Turtle.
Very good. What is the English of kanding? Kanding.
Kanding.
Oh. What is English of kanding?
Good.
Very good. Good. Very good. Okay. Yes, so bright. Bright is so very big bright. What is the English of sheep? Oh.
What
is the English of bitin?
Stick.
Snake. Very good. What is the English of the chicken joy? Chicken joy. What is the English of manok?
Chicken.
Good. So you're so bright. Huh? Do not speak Bisaya. Speak English so that we can understanding. Understanding. Kanding.
English sa kanding. Kadam.
Ano? What is the English of kanding?
Hi. Kadam.
Kanding.
Kanding.
I told you already.
Katong.
Next. Pass. Pass dili. Oh, pass. No. Pass mo. What is the English of baka?
Baka.
Oh, baka.
Cow.
Cow, very good. So now let's proceed to matik. 100. Count 1 to 100. Okay, count.
200. 300.
Count ba 1 2 okay.
1, 2.
Nay ara. Ay, nay. Just slowly.
Liluli.
Okay, count. 1 ano okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
16.
16 lang gali.
10 pa.